Hello, this is my accomplishment report for today. And for the first one would be the had a meeting with Sir RJ for the clarification in the goal and accomplishment for the assigned project that he is currently handling. We also had a demo and QA for the requirements and identify things or accomplishment from the project that he is creating. And along the way, we encountered some bugs and errors also. And also, I read the documentation and update some part that may not be or need to be clarified or correction. After that one, I just done with the build of my office PC. No, assembly of the build of my office PC. Install the OS also. And another one would be I'm researching for the MCP, MPC, sorry, MPC for understanding what is this kind of popular conversation along the devs for today. So far, I was trying to at least understand the step by step on how this MPC is working and created a diagram to at least visualize it. And once maybe I understand and this this concept, I will try to build the sample MPC server for the project, and let's see after that if it will be implemented or it can help the our project on a certain way. Let's see if it is working also. Then another one is on the another project we had a clarification for the goal and newly assigned programmer for the project, and also added the developer to the repository permission and update the permission for other devs also. And that's all for my report. Thank you.